guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make muffin scalloped potatoes or scalloped potatoes into muffins. Either way, it's just potatoes that are sliced really thinly and put into a muffin tin and just seasoned to perfection and baked, and they're so delicious, especially the ones around the edges and on the top. They're just like crispy and wonderful, and I absolutely love it. So I cannot wait for you guys to try it. With the holidays coming up like Thanksgiving and Christmas, I'm constantly thinking of what I can be making, and I know it's still a little bit early, but I feel like this one's gonna be on my Thanksgiving table this year. So if you want to see how it comes together, just keep watching.